There's many ways to adjust the Canva editing window. One way is to close this menu on the left side here. You can just toggle that shut. This gives you a lot more space. You can also toggle the page timeline closed right there. You can click show pages to show this view, or you can close that to get rid of it. Kind of hard to see. It's just that little arrow in the bottom middle. You can change the zoom of your project with this slider on the bottom. And you can see that it's currently at 41%, but you can also change to presets like 200%. That zooms way in, 100%, or you can do fit, which will give you this original, this sort of standard view, or fill, which is going to be fill the entire editing window that you have. You can change to a grid view, which is going to take all your pages and lay it out on a grid like this. You can go back by clicking on that icon again. So it's four little squares in the bottom right. You can click on this to do a preview, which is going to be a full screen preview. But I'm going to close out of that again. And so that's great for seeing all the detail of your entire project. And you can scroll between pages by simply scrolling down using your mouse. You can see this is page 2, this is page 1. And you can hide layers by clicking on this little eyeball right there. So that'll hide a layer so that it won't play in your actual video. It'll just skip over this particular page. And then back to the page view. So you can see that now that that's been hidden, it's grayed out and it's got the eyeball with the line through it. And it's going to start on page 2 because this one's been hidden. You can scroll through your project with this playhead right here. You can click on it and drag it to scrub through your project. And if you click play, it's going to play your video from that point. If you want to play from the very beginning of your video, you can come up to the top here and click on this play button. And that'll play the beginning of your video in this preview mode. Hit close to return and edit. If you want to go deeper on Canva video editing tips, check out the rest of this playlist.